Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, it's a clean box. 2-pack overnight Oats container. Alright. Okay, we got 2 spoons here. There we go. Okay, we got 2 containers. Just show you one, the same thing. So we have thank you for being listed on top. We have the measurements here, more measurements here. It's a mason jar pretty much. Because this is a seal maybe. This goes around it. So you can put your spoon in this slot here. Come with instructions, yeah. It goes that way. No, it doesn't seem to stick very well. Or yeah, I guess you just hang it like that. Not sure how far down this goes, but there's that. Yeah, I guess this ring goes in here to seal it up. You put all your oats in there and leave it overnight, or overnight oats. And then yeah, I guess this goes below here. Not sure which way it goes, and then you can just slide your spoon in. Just place it here. Oh, it goes the other way. I don't think it matters. And there you go. That is the overnight oats container. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.